Meaning of inconsolable.
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 Inconsolable. The word inconsolable is an adjective that describes a feeling of extreme sadness or grief that cannot be comforted or consoled. When someone is inconsolable, they are unable to find comfort or solace from anyone or anything around them, and may feel overwhelmed by their emotions. They may cry uncontrollably, feel hopeless, or experience a sense of emptiness that cannot be filled. The feeling of being inconsolable can be particularly challenging for individuals experiencing loss or trauma, as they struggle to come to terms with what has happened and find a way forward.